Here is my beans. It's washed already. With some onion and bell pepper. So I will be blending them now. So I will be adding some microfish with scotch bonnet pepper. I don't want it to be too hot. Here my eggs, guys. Just boiled and slicing it to cutting it to two parts. Oh my god. So let's go to the next step, guys. So this is my pot. For the base, I'm just putting using foil paper, then add a little bit of warm water on it. Warm water, hot water. So here is the beans. I blend everything together, the crayfish, the beans, I even added seasoning cube inside the beans. So one seasoning cube. Here I'm adding salt, just a little bit of salt. So I added a little bit of dry onion. So mix everything together. You can see it's very red. The scotch bonnet pepper and the bell pepper make it to come out like this, very red. I didn't add palm oil. So we'll be adding groundnut oil, just regular groundnut oil. But here I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Just one spoon of it. I just added because I don't want it to be too much. So here, notice that it's not enough. I just added a drop of it, just very small. So I grease all my cups. I'll be using this cup glass. So I use oil, regular oil, just to rub inside so that it will not get sticky. Added the fish, half egg, and another fish. Do you see that? Do you see that beautiful look on it? So that's how we repeat everything before it's finished. So keep watching, guys. If today the first you see my video, God bless you for stopping by. Please subscribe. Subscription is free. Subscribe, turn off the notification bell in case I upload. You will not miss out. You will be notified. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Ooh, I appreciate you guys. I did not take you guys for granted. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. God bless you all. I love you. Much love, guys. is ready. Did you see that yummy look? Thank you guys for stopping by. God bless you and thank you for watching. Much love. Kiss, kiss. I love you.